Welcome this video. Patio design idea transforming your outdoor space. A patio can be the heart of your outdoor living space. A perfect space for relax, entertain or enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you start fresh or renew and explored patio have a clean visit will help you create a functional space, style and invite area. Blend our idea to inspire your patio design, center to define style, budget and need. Define your patio purpose before divide into design element link about how you plan to use the space your patio can serve as a dining area, a place for outdoor match with a dining table and chair, a cozy retreat for load convex or relax, an entertainment hub, space for gardening complement with space and outdoor term like space, a multi-purpose area, a companion of all those use smart zoom technology. Select material for your patio. The choice of material set the tone for your patio aesthetic and functionally. Some popular other in cabin construction, dew and versatile concrete can be step or textile for favorite look. Natural stone. Add elegant and a timeless feel but can be more explored You have a budget friendly other that easy to install and main entrance. Incorporating comfortable set. Comfortable set is explored for any patio. Outdoor soft and select. Idea for create a living room vibrant outdoor set camping table and preface a smart patio for enclosed space built in branch. Space safe and great for long group. Add shape outdoor space are more enjoyable with purple shape and protect for the elements consider bungalow those structured provide shade and can be decoration with streamline or climax plants. Focus on light transforming a patio explored its usable into the enjoy and create a magic embrace idea in cabin. Solar light is so friendly and easy to install among pathway or gardening bed. Latching, post and style, then create a choosy glow. Build a full, build in the full or wall for the sleep and more